Here we have a 67 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the M Sport braking system with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights, the two gloss black front grills, along with the gloss black front splitter, which is part of the full M Performance kit. We have the side skirts along the bottom as well, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler. Just take a closer look just there, as you can see on the boot. We have another alloy wheel, as you can see again, excellent condition and unmarked. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. And coming around to the rear, you find we have the rear diffuser along with the twin pipe exhaust, and we also have a power assisted tailgate which can get open if you press the button on the remote. Take a look then at the interior. So inside of here you find we have the ivory white leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points back here. We also have the brushed metal door handles and the electric windows. Taking a look at the front, again you've got the same white leather interior, and both the front seats are electrically adjustable and they are both heated. Driver's side has the memory functions. Premium Harman-Kardon sound system, we have the electric power folding mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We also have a multifunctional steering wheel. If you take a seat inside, you'll find we have the paddle shifters on either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control. We also have the digital dashboard here in front of us with the high beam assist on this stalk. The main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, but we have the shortcuts down here. So if you click onto the media, you find we have a range of media such as the radio. We also have the USB, Bluetooth audio and plenty of other options with Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the dual zone climate control, the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats on either side, the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes as well. We also have the manual handbrake and a nice leather armrest just here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of the 67 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. So as you can see, I'm going to have to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We do have the multifunction steering wheel with the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to stick the car into manual mode, you can just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. The speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, the volume buttons on the right. We have the digital dashboard here in front of us, currently showing the comfort mode. We also have plenty of other displays on the dashboard that you would have seen on the photos. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we will be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. The premium Harman-Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. Full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which really is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also electrically adjustable, again adding to the comfort, and they're also both heated, perfect for like cold winter mornings. The main screen here in the centre currently showing the sat nav. We also have plenty of other features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. Below there we have the dual zone climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on. About to take a right hand turn now onto the industrial park, so make the right hand turn. Then if we perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1, hold on to the brakes, and then if we put the car into reverse, we have the rear and front parking sensors. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. And here at RS Car Sales we do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so if you're not local to our area then you can always get the car delivered to your house or to your place of work free of charge. But that's all from me today. Cheers.